Sabri.
Beautiful Akshay.
Powerful Tanushree.
If you say superhuman Vishal Koch. Now he'll add, what is your name? Add a positive adjective. For example, smart Sabri. You can use smart, intelligent, genius, handsome, beautiful, whatever you want, but it must be only positive. Now how we should play this game is, now my name is superhuman Vishal Koch. Now he is, what's your, add adjective before your name. Smart Sabri. Okay. What he will do is, he'll say my name, Superhuman Vishal Koch and Smart Sabri. Add adjective before your name. Dazzling Magati. Now how she will do is, Superhuman Vishal Koch, Smart Sabri and Dazzling Magati. Like that game goes on. My name is Superhuman Vishal Koch.
Superhuman Vishal Koch, Smart Sabri. Superhuman Vishal Koch, Smart Sabri, Dazzling Mahadi.
Superhuman Vishal Koch, Smart Sabri, Dazzling Magadi, Brilliant Loganath.
Superhuman Vishal Koch, Smart Sabari, Dazzling Magati, Brilliant Loganath, Unique Bhupati.
Superhuman Vishal Koch, Smart Sabari, Dazzling Magadi, Brilliant Loganath, Unique Bhupati, Beautiful Akshay.
Superhuman Vishal Koch, Smart Sabari, Dazzling Magadi, Brilliant Loganath, Unique Bhupati, Beautiful Akshaya. Amazing Varsha Shankar.
Amazing
Varsha.
Superhumans Vishal Koch, Smart Sabari, Dazzling Mahati, Brilliant Lognath, Unique Bhupati, Beautiful Akshaya, Amazing Varsha, Handsome Rohit Koch.
Superhuman Vishal Koch, Smart Sabari, Dazzling Magadi, Brilliant Loganath, Unique Bhupati, Beautiful Akshaya, Amazing Varsha Shankari, Handsome Yogit Koch, Brilliant Varshita, Intelligent
Varshita.
Superhuman Vishal Koch, Smart Sabari, Dazzling Magadi, Brilliant Loganath, Unique Bhupati, Beautiful Akshaya, Amazing Varsha, Handsome Rohit Koch, Intelligent Varshita, Cute Kanishka.
Superhuman Vishal Koch, Smart Sabari, Dazzling Mahadi, Brilliant Loganath, Unique Bhupati, Beautiful, Amazing Varsha Shankari, Handsome Rohit Koch,
Intelligent
Varshita, Cute Kanishka, Gorgeous Jayashree.
Superhumans
Vishal Koch, Smart Sabari, Dazzling Magadi, Brilliant Loganath, Unique Bhupati, Beautiful Akshaya, Amazing Varsha,
Handsome Rohit Koch,
Intelligent Varshita, Cute Kanishka, Gorgeous Jayashree,
Dazzling Mahati, Brilliant Loganath, Unique Bhupati, Beautiful Akshaya, Amazing Varsha, Handsome Rohit Koch, Intelligent Varshita, Cute Tanishka, Gorgeous Jayashree, Happy Jayashree, Artistic Veni.
Superhuman Vishal Koch, Smart Sabari,
Dazzling Mahatika, Brilliant Loganath, Unique Bhupati, Beautiful Akshaya, Amazing Varsha, Handsome Rohit Koch, Intelligent Varsha, Cute Kanishka, Gorgeous Jayashree, Happy Jayashree, Artistic Veni, Awesome Supraja and Powerful Tanushree.
Superhuman Vishal Koch, Smart Sabari, Dazzling Mahati, Brilliant Loganath, Unique Bhupati, Beautiful Akshaya, Amazing Varsha, Handsome Rohit Koch, Intelligent Varshita, Cute Kanishka, Gorgeous Jayashree, Happy Jayashree, Artistic Veni, Awesome Sai Supraja, Powerful Tanushree, Stunning Shweta.
Superhuman Vishal Koch,
Amazing Varsha, Handsome Rohit Koch, Intelligent Varshita, Cute Kanishka, Gorgeous Jayashree, Happy Jayashree, Artistic Veni, awesome Supraja, powerful Tanushree, stunning Sweta, rocking Ritvika, positive Reena, polite Priya.
Superwoman Vishal Koch, smart Sabari, dazzling Magati, brilliant Loganathan, unique Bhupati, beautiful Akshaya, amazing Varsha, handsome Rohit Koch, intelligent Varshita, cute Kanishka, gorgeous Jayashree, happy Jayashree, artistic Veni, awesome Supraja, powerful Tanushree, stunning Sweta, rocking Ritvika, positive Reena, polite Priya, honest Nitika.
Superhuman Vishal Koch, smart Sabari, dazzling Mahati, brilliant
Logannath,
unique Bhupati, beautiful Akshaya, amazing Varsha, handsome Rohit Koch, intelligent Varshita, cute Kanishka, gorgeous Jayashree, happy Jayashree, artistic Veni, awesome Supraja, powerful Tanushree, stunning Sweta, rocking Ritvika, positive Reena, polite Priya, honest Nitika, and myself creative Rintika.
Superhuman Vishal Koch, smart Sabari, dazzling Mahati, brilliant Logannath, unique Bhupati, beautiful Akshaya, amazing Varsha, handsome Rohit Koch, intelligent Varshita, cute Kanishka, gorgeous Jayashree, happy Jayashree, artistic Veni, awesome Supraja, powerful Tanushree, stunning Shweta, rocking Ritvita, positive Reena, polite Priya, honest Nitika, creative Rintika, studious Pujita.
Superhuman Vishal Koch, smart Sabari, dazzling Magati, brilliant Logannath, unique Bhupati, beautiful Akshaya, amazing Varsha, handsome Rohit Koch, intelligent Varshita, cute Kanishka, gorgeous Jayashree, happy Jayashree, artistic Veni, awesome Supraja, powerful stunning Sweta,
rocking
Ritvika,
positive
Reena, polite
Priya,
and then honest
Ritika,
and creative
Rintika, studious Pujita, and yours?
thoughtful Ritwin.
Dazzling Magadi, brilliant Logannath, unique Bhupati, beautiful Akshaya,
Amazing
Varsha, handsome Rohit Koch, intelligent Varshita, cute Kanishka, gorgeous Jayashree, happy Jayashree, artistic Veni, awesome
Supraja,
powerful Tanushree, stunning Shweta, rocking Ritvika, positive Veni, Reena, polite Priya, honest Ritika, creative Rintika, studious Pujita, thoughtful Ritwin, dashing Darsha.
Superhuman Vishal Koch, smart Sabari, dazzling Magadi, brilliant Logannath, unique Bhupati, beautiful Akshaya, amazing Varsha, handsome Rohit Koch, intelligent Varshita, cute Kanishka, gorgeous Jayashree, happy Jayashree, artistic Veni, awesome Supraja, powerful Tanushree, stunning Shweta, rocking Ritvita, positive Reena, polite Priya, honest Ritika, and creative Rintika, studious Pujita, thoughtful Ritwin, dashing Darsha, courageous Advait Coach.
Superhuman Vishal Coach, smart Sabari, dazzling Magati, brilliant Loganath, unique Bhupati, beautiful Akshaya, amazing Varsha, handsome Rohit Coach, intelligent Varshita, cute Kanishka, gorgeous Jayashree, happy Jayashree, artistic Veni, awesome Supraja, powerful Tanushree, stunning Sweta, rocking Ritvita, positive Reena, polite Priya, honest Ritika, studious Pujita, thoughtful Ritvik, dashing Darsha, courageous Advait Coach, and admiring Advitan.
Admirable, not admiring, admirable
Advitan.
Superhuman Vishal Coach, smart Sabari, dazzling Magati, brilliant Loganath, unique Bhupati, beautiful Akshaya, amazing Varsha, handsome Rohit Coach, intelligent Varshita, cute Kanishka, gorgeous Jayashree, happy Jayashree, artistic Veni, awesome Supraja, powerful Tanushree, stunning Sweta, rocking
Ritvika,
positive Reena, creative Ritika,
studious
Pujita, thoughtful Ritvik, dazzling Dasha, courageous Advait Coach, admirable Advitin, joyful Josika.
Superhuman Vishal Coach, smart Sabari, dazzling Magadi, brilliant Yoganath, unique Bhupati, beautiful Akshaya, amazing Varsha, handsome Rohit Coach, intelligent Varshita, cute Kanishka, gorgeous Jayashree, happy Jayashree, artistic Veni, awesome Supraja, powerful Tanushree, stunning Sweta, rocking Ritvika, positive Reena, polite Priya, honesty Nitika, creative Rintika, studious Pujita, thoughtful Ritwin, dazzling Darsha, courageous Advait Coach, admirable Advait, joyful Joshika, genius Yadav.
Superhuman Vishal Coach, smart Sabari, dazzling Magati, brilliant Loganath, unique Bhupati, beautiful Akshaya, amazing Varsha, handsome Rohit Coach, intelligent Varshita, cute Kanishka, gorgeous Jayashree, happy Jayashree, artistic Vedi, awesome Supraja,
powerful
Kanishka, stunning
Shweta,
rocking
Ritvika,
positive
Reena, polite Priya, honest Ritika, creative Ritika, studious Pujita, thoughtful Ritwin, dashing Darsha, courageous Advait Coach, Admirable.
Advitan. Joyful Joshika.
Genius.
Yadvini. Topper Kavin.
Wonderful. Next. Everybody together. Ha. Stunning Shweta. Positive Reena. Thoughtful Ritwin. Courageous Advait Koch. Joyful Joshika. Brilliant. Genius. Yeah. Ha. Wonderful. Class.